Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo, fellas! Grab your steaks tonight. We're gonna have a mukbang. Let's go. Come on. Hold on, we're coming. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta get the steak ready. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta get it ready. Hold on. Give me 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's have a nice little intro here. Let's go! Come on! Yo! What's going on, fellas? Let's jump out of the chart here. What's going on, fellas? It's the mukbang stream, all right? So today's stream will probably be a little bit more chill, all right? Listen, guys, I have a steak in front of me, all right? And it's not just any steak. You guys want to know what steak this is? This is a steak fresh from Savvy's thigh, okay? I went and, I went and I had to find Savvy, okay? I had to find Savvy. He was going on a fishing trip ever since Bitcoin price went up. He said Bitcoin would never be above 20K until 2025. Here we are at 21K, so that was pretty quick. I didn't realize it was 2025 already. All of a sudden, it's 2025. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Last time I checked, it was 2023. But anyways, I had to go find him, and I took him, and I took his leg, and I sliced a huge part of it. And what do I get? I get a nice, juicy, big, fat steak from Savvy. Now we usually don't stream on Saturdays, but we thought, hey, might as well. We got back above the bear market resistance band for the first time in the bear market. Why not have a nice juicy steak stream where we kind of chill, right? We're probably just going to be chilling tonight, talking some charts, watching BTC. The good thing is Bitcoin is testing the highs again as we jump on in here, right? We are testing the highs again on the stream. So let's see if we have any juice. At the end of the day, you can see the title, guys. I mean, or the thumbnail. Does Bitcoin continue higher? Does it have a pullback? I'm seeing mixed opinions everywhere, right? I'm seeing people calling for a pullback. I'm seeing people calling Bitcoin's going straight to 25K. Everyone's got a different opinion right now. So let's watch some charts, and we'll kind of, I'll tell you what I think as we kind of unfold here, and we'll kind of do our thing. All right. Anyways, let's get the first bite going. Cheers, hey guys. If you got a stake for tonight's stream, come on over to the Discord. Okay, come on over to the Discord and put your picture of your stake in the Discord here, and I'll show you your stake on the Discord today as we talk some charts and have some fun. If you're not in the Discord, there's a fresh link down in the description down below. You can put your picture of your stake in the general section, and we'll get the steaks cooking in here, my man. We'll get the steaks cooking. Anyways, I'm seeing 100K next month. All right, let's get the first bite going. Let's get the first bite going to the steak here. If you guys are new to the stream, we usually don't do this, right? This is different. I usually don't stream on Saturdays, but I said, hey, why not? Why not have some steak? Let's chill. After a pretty freaking good week, man, I will say this week was my best trading week of all time, actually. So I thought, why not get some steak and eat some bears? You know, why not? That's some good stuff, man. My God, man. You guys, you don't even know. Yeah, picture of your steak. I don't see any pictures of steak, bro. Come on, get the pictures of steak. Anyways, Bitcoin at 20,931. Where are we looking at Bitcoin going to next, right? So we're having a little bit of trouble here at 21,000, right? 21,000 seems to be a little bit of an issue, but we've been talking about this, guys, right? This previous high up here from the FTX crash, over here from November 4th, which was 21,500, is also got a little piece of steak stuck in the back of my throat. And don't be coming in here with jokes. I already know you're coming in with the jokes. The 618 retracement also sitting at 21,500. That is really the big level I'm watching for, but we're getting a little struggle here at 21K. Now, I know all the bears, you know, it was the 200-day moving average, right? This was the bears, right? Two things. This was the bears when we were down at 16K. We're still below the 200-day moving average. There's no way we're bullish. 200-day moving average, bro. We gotta get above that to be bullish. Okay. And then after we broke the 200-day moving average, all of a sudden we're just busting out moving averages now, right? Kind of like the bulls do on the way down. Now we're just busting out moving average, and the bears are saying, we're still below the 200-day exponential moving average. We've never talked about that before, but let's bring it up now. Oh, Solana's going to zero, by the way. It hasn't done a 3x from the bottom. Right? But anyways, let's jump on here. But we are sitting, I want to put a couple levels up here. We are still sitting below that 200-day exponential. We'll watch that for the bears. We did just close right at it on the daily. It's pretty interesting. We'll see if we break it. All right, we'll see if we break it. For me, in my opinion, guys, I will say, and I'm not calling for a pullback again, right? And you can see the thumbnail of the stream. I'm not calling for no pullbacks. You know why? Here's why I'm not calling for any pullbacks. I've said this. Max Pain is up with no pullback. Max Pain is up for no pullback because most people are on the sidelines with CAD. Most people are waiting for a pullback to buy. Imagine if you don't get that pullback, bro. And so far, on this way up, if you can call for a pullback every $300 resistance, you've been wrong every single time. Now, eventually, Bitcoin will have a pullback. I'm not oblivious. I don't think we're going straight to 669K. You know, I'm not an idiot. But I'm not going to sit here and call for a pullback when whenever you call for a pullback, you've been wrong every single time. Every single time on the way up. Bitcoin just pumps, goes sideways, pumps again. Pumps, goes sideways. Bitcoin gets a little bit of a dip. The bears go, oh, it's going to dump. Oh. You know, so we'll see. In my opinion, I think Bitcoin is going to get another push up to the 618 retracement at 21,500. And that's where, if I had to guess, that's where I think Bitcoin gets a pullback. If it's going to get a pullback. At the same time, am I going to call for a pullback? I don't know. But 21,500. I will say is the level I'm looking for Bitcoin still at the end of the day. All right. But in the meantime, let me take another bite of steak. All right. And then we'll jump onto some other stuff because I know altcoins are rocking and rolling today. It's a good day for altcoins, man. You got some alts up 50%. You got some alts up 20, 25% today. Man, hold on. Let me take a sip of not a sip. I said a sip of steak. It is that juicy, right? You could call it a sip of steak. Hold on. Savvy, I'm sorry. I'm cutting your kneecap off, man. Here's your kneecap. Here we go. I'm calling for a rug pull next pump. Good rug pull. You definitely could. Definitely could. What's going on, Marty? Hold on. DJ said, why is somebody joining? Okay, let's go check out some steaks. Oh, we got some steaks. Look at Sanchez. Oh my God, that looks good. Look at that piece of fat. Bro, I gotta play the pump song for the fat, bro. Oh my Lord. Dude. Look at that fat, dude. Imagine eating that fat right there. I got a giant piece of fat that I'm looking at right now, but I'm saving that for the end. Look at this, dude. That is juicy. That is bullish as hell, dude. Hold on. Let me see what else we got. Oh, we got Mike in here. Oh, Mike's got a whole meal. Holy shit. Mike's got more shrimp than I've ever seen in a box. And he's got a potato. He's got broccoli. 2 broccolis. Nice, man. You're really getting the vitamins in there. That's nice. Oh, we got mean stew. Oh my God. You got 4 steaks, bro. He's got 4 steaks. This dude is going off. Oh my Lord. All right, we'll get some more steaks in a second. Put your steaks in the chat, man. Put your steaks in the Discord. He's got 4 steaks cooking. Oh my Lord. People are going off today. Holy crap. All right, anyways. 20,976. Still the same point, guys. I mean, the 618 retracement, 21,500. It makes sense for Bitcoin to test that level, in my opinion. And if we zoom out, here's like the big test, right? This big downtrend of resistance from all-time highs. 1, 2, okay? And you got right here. And this is, if we went straight up right now, which I don't necessarily think we're going to go straight up like this. We could based on the last couple of weeks. But 22,572 is where this big all-time high downtrend of resistance comes in. I do think 21.5 is going to be a little bit of an issue, though. All right, that's the previous high. You're going to have all the bears coming in saying, it's a double top, bro. And I sort of made this rant the other day. Whenever you approach a resistance, you can call it a double top, right? Stupid. If there's one resistance and you go to that resistance again, any resistance, you can call a damn double top. You know what I'm saying? I hate when people say double top when you get to a resistance. Like, no shit, numbnuts. It's the second time you tested it. No shit, it's a double top. Oh my Lord. The only double top you should be going for is Becker getting double top. Oh, I gotta bring Becker up here. Is Becker getting double top from... What's going on, guys? It's Becker. I'm getting double top from all the bears, sisters, and moms right now. They're giving me that sloppy top. Double action, right? They're both fist. All right. Anyways, I'm sorry, I'm going nuts here. I'm supposed to be eating my food. I told myself I was going to be calm on today's stream, but sometimes I get a little bit carried away, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, don't say Bitcoin's kind of just chilling. I would say the hourly's got some momentum though, right? So hourly stocks do have some momentum at the highs. Let me check like the 15 minute. Yeah, 15 minutes kind of resetting here, but still, I mean, if it wants to go up, it's got some juice. 5 minute, just crossing to the upside now. We'll see what we get, right? It's a little bit of a mixed bag, right? 4 hour is resetting, but did cross to the downside. And obviously the daily is ridiculous, man. I mean, the daily is going to have to reset at some point. Once again, if you've been calling, the daily has to reset since it's been overbought. You've missed this entire move up. So you do your due diligence with that, I guess. The weekly time frame is what's exciting now, man. And if you missed the stream yesterday, we got over the bear market resistance band. All right. And what has that meant for Bitcoin in the past? Very, very good things. Now, I want to see another weekly close above. I want to see Bitcoin close here, which right now, guys, it's above that by about, it's above that by almost $1,800 at this point, right? Sorry, 1,800. Yeah. 1,800. I forget what that meant for a second. Holy crap. But we are above that. We want to get a close above that going into tomorrow's weekly close, right? We get a close. I want to see one more weekly sort of just be close and open above. But at the same point, that is usually a bullish sign. And we also have the weekly RSI also absolutely mooning. Look at this, man. This was awesome. As soon as you broke this, right to the moon. It was almost like perfection. And the opposite of 2017, when you broke the upward sloping trend line, and as soon as you did, the bull market was over, right? So we'll see. Once again, this was perfection too. I mean, everything kind of played out to perfection, right? 64 weeks before the halving. You guys were all trolling me for this. You guys say that's not going to work, Jordan. Exactly 64 weeks before the halving, we get the move above the bear market resistance band. You can't make this move up. You can't make it up. 59 weeks, the halving before. 54 weeks, the halving before that. And 49 weeks, the halving before that. 49 plus 5, 54 plus 5, 59 plus 5, 64. You can't make this shit up. It's almost like this shit's rigged. I don't know. It's almost like the 4-year cycle. Who knows, man? Who knows? It's almost like the 4-year cycle is actually a thing. Hold on, let me think. I got mashed potatoes here too, man. These mashed potatoes look bullish as hell. Hold on. Oh. Man, those mashed potatoes. Holy shit, dude. You know what's funny about the steak? It also came with pasta. It also came with pasta. And it also came with some bread. That's bullish as hell. You pretty much got everything you can think of over here. I got like 2,000 calories worth of food in front of me right now. And it'll probably all be polished. This will be polished. And I can tell by some of your guys' photos that you guys have a lot of food too. And you're going to polish the shit out of that food. Oh, Lord. All right. This is the first time I had steak in a long time. I got to say, this is probably the first time I had steak. Other than like the steak, I mean, a steak that I get from somewhere. Like an actual steak. Man, this has got to be the first time I had steak. Probably a year. Probably at least a year at this point. It's been a long time since I had a steak. And I forgot how much I love steak. This is why I said the other day, no meat even compares. If you think seafood or some bullshit like that is better than steak, stupid. I gotta say. Anyways, you guys care about Ethereum here. ETH also came back up to the highs. It's getting a little bit of a pullback now, but I mean, really just going sideways. And this has kind of been the move for ETH. It's been move up, sideways, move up, sideways, move up, sideways, move up, sideways, move up, sideways. Okay, I mean, so nothing really changed in the grand scheme of things here. I know that the bears will scream double top right here. Okay, I mean, it's what it's done every single time. It has a double top. It comes back to the EMAs on the 1 hour, which are down here still. So maybe you get a little bit of a dip like this. You test your EMAs. But the sort of pattern here has been, wait for the 30 and 50 EMAs in the 1 hour to come up. They back test those and they get another leg up. I mean, that's been the pattern, right? I mean, as much as we want to say, okay, it's going to get a massive drop, and it could, right? You got to understand. Now, right here is not the time to buy, in my opinion. you guys know this, right? If you watch my channel, you don't FOMO, okay? FOMO no. FOMO no. Support yes. Support. If you want to buy support, yes, you buy support. You do not FOMO, okay? Because all the indicators are overbought. Why am I talking like that? I don't know. But all the indicators are overbought. Most of them, right? So at any point, you could have a big drop. So don't be FOMOing in. But at the same point, I'm going to respect the trend until it's broken, right? I mean, the trend has been pretty freaking easy to follow at this point, right? It's been pretty freaking easy. So respect the trend until it's broken. If it breaks, okay, maybe at that point, we can start talking about lower prices. But until then, I don't think there's anything to get up in arms about. You know what I mean? There ain't nothing. And if we go to Ethereum on the weekly, this is even more juicy. What you guys are saying in here, guys? Jam said, too late, bro? Too late? Too late for what? If we go to Ethereum on the weekly, also, Ethereum broke the symmetrical triangle to the upside. And also, tomorrow, as long as it closes above 13.95, you'll get the weekly close above the bear market resistance band, my friends. And typically, just going based off the past, when you do get that close, you want to see one more close usually. That has meant that you see good things after that, right? Doesn't mean you're going to the moon necessarily, but it means you do sort of see a little bit of recovery after that. So, once again, time will tell. Time will tell. Let me take another bite because we're fiending over here. Zach said, too late to make money. You got to make that decision for yourself, my guy. You know. I think it's right here's a tough spot. I think it's, you know, if you're trying to long Bitcoin right here, I also think it's very risky to long Bitcoin right here. And at the same point, I think the way Bitcoin's been going, I think it's very risky to short Bitcoin right here. You know, you're sort of in that tough spot. I wouldn't do anything right here. This is no man's land right here. The trend is up. I don't short when the trend is up. First of all, if you're above your EMAs, I don't short. Because if you shorted every single time, you've gotten busted every single time on this move up. All right, busted. Right, every single time you thought it was going to dump, you got busted every single time. So I personally wouldn't. I'm not shorting or longing from right here. I want to see how this plays out right here. To be honest, man. You know what I mean? Hold on, let me take a sip. Not a sip, a bite. Psycho Pearl said, where's Mike? Oh, for people coming out, guys, I'm relaxing today. I'm not going nuts today. I usually don't stream on Saturdays. I got a great meal in front of me, so you probably won't see me going as nuts as I usually do today, right? Probably a little bit more of a chill stream today, guys. Right? So just make sure you know that. What else we got? All right, we can kind of jump through some altcoins if you want while we wait for BTC. Let me know some altcoins, man. Let me know some altcoins. Oh, here we go. We got another guy in here. Here we go. I got to call him out. Hold on. I said I wasn't going to go nuts, but unfortunately, we got this guy right here. Sat Car Scene. Bro. Sat Car Scene. Bro, do I have to make this rant again?
Rant alert.
Sat Car Scene says, zoom out on the chart. It's down nearly 90% since last March. 90% since last March. Okay. First of all, Sackcar. Your name is Sack, right? So first of all, I just want to put that out there. Number two, okay? Number two, all right? Yes, but that is cope. Why? Because listen, yes, a lot of us are hodlers, but lots of us are also traders too, right? I trade and I hodl, right? You're coping if you're pulling out the zoom out, right? You're coping. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it real, okay? And I'll do a fun little exercise for you, okay? Just a fun little exercise. If you were trading this, right? And let's say you didn't time the bottom perfectly, right? Let's take Litecoin for example, my friend, okay? Litecoin, you know, up about 75% from the lows, okay? So here's your argument. Oh, 75%, okay? If you shorted Litecoin from up here, you would be up just as much as if you would long Bitcoin, Litecoin down here, my friend, right? So that argument is dumb, first of all, right? On really not on every altcoin, but you get my point, right? That's cope. That's cope. You missed the short-term move. Don't be salty, okay? Yes, you zoom out. It's still a downtrend, but you got to start somewhere. What are you just going to keep saying zoom out, right? When Bitcoin hits 30K, 40K, 50K in 2024, we're just going to keep saying zoom out? You know what I mean? You got to start somewhere. God damn, man. Poor Zach. All right, here we go. Zoom out, bro. Zoom out. That's cool. Zoom out, yeah, drop 70%. That's facts. That's facts. All right. Anyways, now that I got that rant out of my head, all right, we're just kind of waiting for BTC here, my man. Let me check out some more stakes, and then we'll jump into some altcoins because, once again, I mean, listen, the Bears want to talk shit. They do. The Bears love to talk shit. Listen, I didn't buy Sol down here, but I know a lot of people did. And if you bought Sol down here, you're up 3x. That is more than a lot of the Bears made shorting. Because guess what? A lot of the Bears that like to talk shit, they didn't short the market. They just sat out. You know what I'm saying? So if you were bullish down here, you probably made more money than they did the whole freaking year. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, that's besides the point. 24.73 for Sol. Sol just kind of keeps rocking and rolling. Look at Solana. Come on, man. Come on, Sol. Give it to him. We were calling for 27 bucks all the way down here. They were calling us idiots. Sol is about to retrace the entire FTX dump. Shout out to all the fudsters, okay? All the people praying for Binance to go down, Coinbase to go down. It's sad that you gotta pray for the demise of companies to get the prices that you want. It's kind of sad. Well, let me take a sip of this. Sorry, I keep saying sip, man. Why do I keep saying sip? Maybe because it's such a juicy steak. That's why. Oh my god, every time I cut this, guys, there's like some saliva. There's like some saliva that comes into my mouth. You know what I mean? There's some saliva. Oh my god, man. Fuck yeah. The first steak I had in a year. You gotta understand. Some of you guys might eat steaks all the time. I don't do it. I don't do it, dude. Hold on. Some of you guys gotta cause FUD to get the prices that you want. That's sad. The amount of people that were praying and hoping for Binance and Coinbase to go down is freaking sad. It's sad, man. If you were one of those people, you don't deserve good prices. Honestly, like you don't. You deserve to buy higher. If you're one of those people praying for those to go down, so you could see altcoins drop another 90%, you could see Bitcoin drop to 10K or some shit like that. You don't deserve that. Okay? You don't. I'm gonna be honest. You don't.
Rant alert.
You don't. I purposely made it a very, very clear thing on my channel. I hated talking about SBF drama. I wasn't going to talk about all the stupid Coinbase FUD and Binance FUD. Why? Because the space needs positivity, not constant negativity. It doesn't. So if that was you, sorry, man. I don't have to tell you. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Let me see this. Let me take a bite of my mashed potatoes here. Are you talking about Ben? Ben who? Ben who? No, he wasn't praying for the demise. He was, I guess, he knew there was a demise in one of them. That's a little bit different, right? Praying for demise versus knowing there's a demise is a little bit different, right? No, but Sol's coming at 27, man. It's inevitable at this point, all right? It's coming to test the previous underside of this support, right? All these supports over here. And it's going to decide, okay, does it want to flip this as resistance or does it want to break out, right? That's the big question, man. That's the big question. I mean, I would say if Sol gets back above 27, I don't think you're ever going to see this. Not ever. I mean, there's always, if altcoins are deemed securities, okay, they could go down. But holy moly, I just exploded. Oh, Lord. If Sol gets back above 27, I don't think you're ever gonna in this bear market, bearing some regulation or some shit like that on altcoins. I don't think you're ever gonna see $8 Sol if it can break above 27. If it starts getting to 30, 35, good luck. Good luck. Good luck, my man. Good luck. Oh, Lord. Hold on. Oh, man. I think my favorite part of this is the mashed potatoes. Is that sad? I love mashed potatoes. Nothing goes better with steak than mashed potatoes, guys. I will say that. GMT is another one that's going freaking nuts, man. GMT already up 3x from the lows. And this is what I'm talking about, man. It's like the bears want to troll, which is cool, man. I mean, I understand. So basically from the highs to where it is now, down 87%. From the lows, it's up 136%. Right? So you like to troll, but here we are. I mean, you're up 136% from the lows. You're just salty that you missed the short-term movement. I'll tell you. Don't be afraid to take profits, bulls. Okay? Don't be afraid to take profits. You're entering a vector candle range. I don't know how many guys own this. I'm balls deep in this project. But you're coming up to this vector candle at 56. Right? I will say that. And you're right back at this previous swing low. This one is, I mean, if this breaks, I mean, this one could go nuts too after breaking the bear market downtrend. So we'll see on GMT. Once again, like you still got this big vector up at 180 to $2. I think it eventually gets up there. When? I don't know, but I think it eventually gets up there. But most people will say, no, that's not happening, Jordan. Time will tell. Time will tell. That's not going to be now. It's probably going to be a long time from now. Well, let me take another bite of pasta.
Invited to in-laws for fish tacos. I stayed home.
Stuff with her. That's the best. He said invited to in-laws for fish tacos. I stayed home. Yeah, dude. If someone was like, hey, you want to go get some fish?
Nope.
Fish bloat. Who wants fish, man? Who eats fish? Honestly, the only people who eat fish are Karens, guys with no testosterone. I'm playing around. Slightly. Maybe I'm playing around. Maybe I'm not. What else was looking good today? Let me know some altcoins in the chat, man. We'll kind of jump through some. Murico Steaks at Psycho Pearl. What's going on, Psycho? You get see more steaks. Let me see. Oh, this is from Google, bro. There's no way that this is yours. Golden wrap steak. This is from Google. There's no way this is yours, man. Come on. But look at that juiciness. Like look at that. Look at the little indents in there. Oh my God, that's bullish. That is freaking bullish.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Oh my God, Bobby. Look at that thing. You got the bone-in steak? Woo! And he's got the bread. Oh, he's got almost the same meal as me. He's got the bread. He got the veggies. I don't got veggies today. But, man, that's nice. You got some butter here for the bread. Oh my God, that is a bullish meal right there, man. That is bullish. What else do we got? Oh, my sock. That just kills everyone's appetite. My dirty-ass sock. Oh, man. Index. Is that steak, man? Yeah, I guess it is steak. Nice, man. That's pretty in depth there. It's pretty in depth, dude. We got more steaks? Let's see. I don't think we got any more steaks. If you got more steaks, put them in the Discord, man. Don't be posting any weird shit in the Discord. Like what we just saw. All right? Anyways. What are you guys asking for? Brian said dump it. Oh, my Lord!
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Dump it! Watch this shit just bounce right back up. Good shit. We got 220 likes. Make sure we smack up the like button for the steak stream. Oh my lord, it's over. It's over. We're down $200. Oh. Hey bulls, it's over. We're down $200 right now. It is over. This is the end of the bull. This is the end of the little bull trend here. To be honest, this gets me super bearish. I think we're going all the way back to 15.5. This is a huge dump right now. Oh my god. Look at this dump. Oh my lord. We're going all the way back down to 15.5 in one candle. It's over, guys. Pack it up. We're never going to see 21 again. We will never see 21K until 2025. And that's it. Pack it up. Pack it up. That's it. Owen yells dump. All right. Anyways, let's see. Man, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So altcoins will probably pull back short term because BTC is hanging out right here. ETH's coming to test the 30 EMA. So let's see if ETH is back in the 30 and 50 EMAs. This is typically where ETH actually gets a bounce. So we'll see. We'll see what we got. The last couple times ETH came in here, we got a retest, bounce, retest, bounce, retest, bounce, retest, bounce, retest, bounce. We'll see what happens this time, right? We'll see what happens this time for Ethereum. As it approaches, it's juicy, juicy, juicy. 30 and 50 EMAs. And Bitcoin, let's see where it's 4-hour EM. 4-hour EMA is at 19,152. In the 1 hour, you haven't even touched the 1 hour yet, right? That's the funny part. We're calling for a dump. Bitcoin hasn't even tested the 30 EMA on the 1 hour yet. It's still about $100 above that. This is where everyone calls dump. Then I get off the stream and I long an altcoin up to 30 EMA. Oh Lord. Now you'll probably see some altcoins pull back a little bit. Solina. Let's see. AVAX just tested the 50 for the second time on the 1 hour. Hey, AVAX, let me check it out. That's what I like to see. Yeah, AVAX actually back tested this level I was looking at. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, so AVAX. We'll see what AVAX does. It wicked into it to the 50 EMA here, and it bounced back up. Now you're back in it again. Once again, it's sort of been the trend, right? Back test, back test, back test, back test, back test. Sort of been the trend. Let's see. Seahawks destroyed. I haven't watched any playoff. I didn't watch any playoff shit today. I don't even know if today was the first game, honestly, because the Pats are out, so I'm salty. I'm literally the salt shaker right now, man. You know. Look at that, man. Holy, look at that dump. Woo! That is a dump if you ever seen one. Holy shiza. Let's see. They got hands in here spreading FUD. No, not hands. Not hands. We got, who's in here spreading FUD? Who's spreading FUD? Someone was in here. Look at everyone spreading FUD. Look at everyone saying, dump, dump. Here goes all the bears. They've been saying dump every single $100 move down. It's dump. Dump! Oh, Lord. Lord. We chilling tonight. I'm glad all you guys got steak, though. I'm very, very happy you guys all got steak. Honestly, that is awesome. That is honestly awesome. Let's see. Cut the middleman and eat the grass out of your yard. You could do that. Could do that. No, for me, guys, in honesty, me not trolling. Hold on. For me, there's no reason to get all upset until Bitcoin breaks the 30 and 50 EMAs in the 4-hour time frame. And those are all the way down at 18.4 to 19,200. And honestly, like you're so far overextended from these where like you can dump all the way down to there and it's really not that big of a deal. You know what I mean? It's really not. Like you could honestly come back and wick to this previous high here at 18.4 and it's like, okay, cool. Quick little back test to that and it's whatever. If you even do that, to be honest, I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced that you see a massive dump here, to be honest. I'm really not. I won't be surprised if they sort of do what they've done, right? Come back to the 30 EMA here. Right, come back to the 30 EMA, dump it slightly lower, maybe come to the 50 EMA, and then they spike it back up, right? And then they set it down. We'll see though. We'll see. Obviously, I mean, every single move up, everyone's been calling for a pullback. So that honestly, calling for a pullback, this whole move up has been the wrong call every single time. So we'll see what happens, right? Let's see. Don't be spreading fub. Yeah, friggin' moon time coming in. All right. Let's see. See some altcoins. Most altcoins, like this is when you get the good setup, right? Obviously, pay attention to BTC, right? First thing I do, I check where BTC is. BTC at a good level? Okay. I go to an altcoin. Okay, I say, all right, AVAX back in the 30 and 50 EMAs. But we go to the 4-hour time frame. I would prefer to actually get in on some of these altcoins on the retest of the 30 and 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, right? Because eventually they're going to come back to test those. Let's see if there's any good options here, because a lot of them are in the 1 hour. See, BNB back at the 30 EMA, right here. But look at the trend of BNB. Just take a gander at the trend of BNB. Look at the whole move up for BNB. Look at the whole trend. Hold. Here you are, right back at the same level again. You know what I mean? It's been the same trend. You'll see this on all altcoins. You know what I mean? Let's see, Gala back in there. Let's see, Link right back at the 30 EMA. Like this is nothing, man. You're just right back at the 30 EMA again. Like the whole damn trend to the upside. Matic back at the 30 EMA. Look at Matic's trend. Right? Just a stair step up. XRP, same thing. Right? Just literally just retesting the same level as has. Let's see. FX. Let's see. Oh, the perma bears. Yeah, I guess the thing is, you got to know when to switch your bias. I think some people get so caught up in what their bias is, and we sort of had this rant yesterday. How do I know if someone's all in cash? They're a perma bear, right? They just say the price is going to go down no matter what. That's how I know someone's all in cash, right? And they're salty because they want the price to go down, and it is what it is. I mean, and how do you know someone wants the price to go up? Well, pretty obvious. Let me take a sip. Sip, man. I keep saying sip. I'm obsessed with the damn sip. Holy shit. I'm obsessed with the same shit. Mukbang is just for today. We're only eating on stream for today, guys. So if you're annoyed by me eating today, well, that was the plan for today anyways. You know what I mean? I appreciate you guys being here and hanging out and eating some steak. But that was the plan for today. This is not the normal structure of the stream, which is me going nuts and trolling. It's not today. It's not today. We're chillaxing. We're doing a little chillax mood today while we just sit here and watch some charts. Watch all these pullbacks on some of these stuff, which are going to offer good opportunities. But for traders, in my opinion, but we'll see. We'll see. I like this, man. I wanted to see some pullbacks on altcoins because a lot of them were overextended. Now them pulling back is going to give good opportunities for retraces back to the upside when they do happen. Yeah, these alts. Too overextended, man. 1 hour, Near's back at the 30 EMA in the 1 hour. All the altcoin charts look the same, you know? right back there. See what BTC does though. Let's see. Love the stream, man. Thank you, Mike. Thanks for hanging out, dude. Thanks for hanging out. The smacking is real. Oh, man. The smacking is real. That's some good stuff. What kind of steak you eating? Honestly, I forget. Honestly, I forget which one it was. I just got it at a restaurant down the street, which has awesome Italian food. So I said, hey, why not? Let's try a little bit of steak from there. And it's honestly, it's a really good, big, juicy steak with. I like the fat on the steak personally, like not the whole thing, but I like the edges to be kind of fatty. This one's pretty good, man. This one's pretty good. What are the big levels of resistance for BTC? You're at one now, obviously. But the big one's 21.5. 21,500, which is the 0.618 retracement as well, and the previous high right here from the FTX crash. So that's the really big one.
What are the big levels of resistance for Bitcoin?
Let's see. Teju said, "Does ETH BTC provide any clues?" Let me see. ETH BTC. We haven't looked at it in a while, actually. Let's look up ETH BTC. ETH BTC. ETH BTC. Let's see what we got. This is the weekly. Yes, the weekly. So, I mean, this one was consolidating forever, right? And actually, it was a very interesting kind of play here, right? Because this one actually, let me see. See, here's the thing, man. I mean, place your bets on this one. To me, I look at this and I say, I mean, depends how you want to look at this. It's a little bit too far out now, but let me just get rid of this moving average here. You can see that this was sort of a little symmetrical triangle, broke to the upside, it back tested, right at kind of the end. Guess you can kind of extend this out to show a little bit better. You sort of came back down and back tested on Ethereum versus Bitcoin, right? So this is an interesting one. Place your bets, right? Is this just a quick back test before you get a move up? Or is ETH BTC about to come down and come back up? And it's the Bitcoin show. And to be honest, right? I mean, what's been the case? When the market, if the market wants to continue up, always the first moves. I mean, if you've been in crypto for a while, you know, 2020, 2019, on those big runs, Bitcoin moved first, right? The Bitcoin dominance actually went up in 2020 and in 2019, and altcoins outpaced Bitcoin later on. Right? So even if Bitcoin outpaces Ethereum, I don't think that means the price has to go down. That just means that Bitcoin would move up more than Ethereum. Right? And that's cool. I mean, I'm cool with that in the short term because it's kind of been what's always happened. Right? Bitcoin gets the big move up first. Altcoins lag a little bit behind. And then altcoins go on to kill it after, you know? So that's a good point. I mean, this is a very, very interesting one. Very, very interesting one. Does it bounce? Does it come back down? Place your bets on this one. I mean, this one's sort of like an oscillator over time. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now it's kind of right in the middle of the range. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Is this all the bears have, man? Come on, bears. Give me... Bears. Can you push the price down a little bit so I can get some good long entries? Shit, man. You guys aren't giving me any retraces to long from, bro. You got any juice? Lord. This is the best you got? Come on.
Rant alert.
Come on, Bears. I want to... Do I have to bring out the Viking for the Bears? Like, I want a dip. I would be cool with a dip because altcoins would give you better entries. Bears. This is for the Bears today. I want you. I'm rooting for you guys to pull it back a little bit. So this is for the Bears. Come on, Bears. I'm about to hype you up right now a little bit. Hit the like button if you're a bear. We're about to hype up the Bears. Ready? Here we go. Bears! We must assemble! Jordan wants a dip. Jordan wants the price to go down a little bit so he can long. Dump it! Look at this guy. Come on! Come on, Bears. Come on, man. It's like shit. Shit, man. Come on. Like, can you guys do anything? Shit, you Bears can't even dump it correctly at this point. Shit, man. It's the funny thing I see on Twitter. I follow a lot of good people on Twitter. Even them that are bullish, they're like, they want a pullback so we can long. Come on, man. Shit. You guys can't even push the price down $100 at this point. God damn, man. I was hopeful we were gonna come back into here. I don't know if we'll get there at this point. Man, dude, look at that vector candle. That was a good push, guys. Good push. We'll get them next time. Take a nice little stab here. Here. Go.
Yum, this steak is good. Smack, smack, slur. I haven't had steak in 12 years. Smack, smack, slurp, slurp. Chug, chug, This shit is great with mashed potatoes.
Wayne, get out of here. Don't be trolling me today. Don't be trolling me, Wayne. I love you, Wayne. I do love you a lot, man. I love you a lot. All right. Anyways, that was a good attempt. That was Bears. That was a really good attempt. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Ethereum bounces off the 30 EMA. I mean, look at the trend for ETH. At least since here. Boom. Boom.
What is this?
Who the heck is this?
This is Skrillex.
Is it?
Crazy, right?
Yeah, I didn't expect that. But yeah, one bounce up to 30, two bounces up to 30. And there we are again. Let's see if it works again. I don't know. That's been the trend here. Close my short. Nice Psycho Pearl. That's what I'm talking about. Get in those shorts, man. Push the price down a little bit for your boy. You know, get us down here to like 20,200. Just a little bit. We're just asking for a little bit. Reset our indicators a little bit. You guys can get a little profit so you don't feel as bad, not feel as salty. Okay, and then we can continue. That's all I'm asking for. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. Anyways, altcoins got nice little pullbacks, man. Nice little pullbacks in some altcoins here. All at the same spot on the chart. Literally all at the same spot. They're all back into the moving averages here. Now we kind of wait on BTC here, man. Peep GMT. See GMT. Oh, yeah, see it. GMT just wicked to 55. I think that was the level we're looking at. Yeah, there we go. So GMT just wicked to 56 cents, which was the level we're looking for. You probably see a pullback on GMT, but that's what I'm talking about, man. Come on.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
That's what I'm freaking talking about for GMT. Mr. Miles says, why does that... Mr. Miles said, why does it appear that you look under your desk when you talk to Maya? Yeah, I always go. You guys don't know. Now you know why I'm always so jacked up on the stream. You know? Yeah, now you guys know why. And actually, when I turn into Bob, it's me actually going, ah! You know? No, the true question to that is I'm looking under my monitors here. And that's what we got going on here. But, you know, most of the time I'm looking under the monitor. Sometimes I might be looking under the table. We don't know. We don't know. All right?
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I might be getting a little... Oh, no. On down there. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we got. It's dumping. Oh, man. This is a big dump. It's a big dump. I'm really worried now. I'm literally shaking in my boots. I'm shaking in my boots from this dump. Let's see. Why are you looking under the monitor for? Let's see. You guys always want to know the weirdest shit. You always want to know the weirdest shit. Holy shit. Dude, Soul. Come on, Soul. Give us a little bit more juice. Get us to 27 on tonight's stream. That would be awesome. That would be awesome for the solars. We get the 27 on tonight's stream. That would be so dope. So freaking dope. Yeah. It's pullback. It's pullback day for altcoins, man. But a lot of them needed it. Okay, this is a nice little 2-3% pullback on a lot of altcoins at the moment. Very, very nice. Very, very freaking nice, if you ask me. Very, very freaking nice. Much needed, actually, for a lot of these bad boys. But look at them. They're all wicking back. They all wicking back. All right, they all wicked to the 30 and 50 EMAs. Look at them. They're all just getting bought up. They're all literally just getting bought up. Look at this. Bought up. ADA, bought up. DOT, bought up. Cadena got freaking, or Cadena was pumping right before it dumped, so it makes sense. Big pump and dump on Cadena. Crow, yep. All kind of pretty similar. Mad Scientist, the Dead Cats. Let's read what everyone's saying in the chat. I'm seeing a lot of people calling dump, Dead Cat bounce. I can see the saltiness, man. Because I was wondering yesterday, like, where are all the bears? I think they're just not typing in the chat. But now all of a sudden you get a $100 dump on BTC. They're all coming through the woodwork. Look at them. Look at them, man. Look at them. Where are they? It's going to zero, said Gaz. Let's see. Brian's always bearish, so Brian's always bearish. That's okay. Brian Miller is a bear that I respect. You know why? Because he's been bearish for a long time. He hasn't been bearish since 20K, like a lot of bears at the moment. If everyone put $5 in right now into BTC, that would probably push Bitcoin up a little. Vitalik wants his hat back? No, he doesn't. Vitalik is just happy and clappy, man. I'm telling you.
Happy and clappy.
Vitalik is the best. Atomic said, I just want to pull back so I can continue to trade the Rangers. Me too, man. I actually wouldn't mind a little pullback here. But BTC, we don't make the decisions. Let's get into a fatty piece, guys. Let's get into a nice piece of fat here. Oh, yeah. Man, Bitcoin's going to 10K. We'll probably stay on for a little bit longer, guys. I'm not going to stay on for the whole night today. I usually don't stream on Saturdays, like I said. I want to make that clear. So we don't got new people coming in here. Wow, this guy sucks, man. He's just eating steak and talking to us. It's usually not like this. We usually go way more nuts. Today, we're just kind of chillaxing. We're chillaxing. We're looking at the Bitcoin dump, which is just a stop hunt to the downside, probably before they bring it right back up. The dump. Should I do it one more time? The dump. And just chillaxing. All night, Dirk? Probably not today, man. Not today. Not today all night. We're going all night long. All night. Come on. All night long. Oh, man. Let's see. DYDX. You guys in DYDX? There we go, DYDX. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Get up there, boy. Let's see what else we got. DYDX, doing pretty nice. Sushi. Oh, look at Sushi, man. The Sushi just came in back. Look at Sushi. This is a perfect example. Just quick stop hunt into the 30 and 50 EMAs. Boom. Right back up to the upside. Like butter. Like absolute butter on a pancake. Like butter on a chocolate chip pancake. Look at QNT. Back test to 30. Oh, it's going to dump. Oh, right back up. Algo. Oh, 30-50 EMA. Look at that dump, guys. Oh, my God. Look at that dump.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Oh, man. I wish I wasn't streaming. That would have been nice. Well, we're streaming here today on Saturday. FTM. Let's see what else. Sushi. Oh, sorry, Shiba. Shiba, same thing. 30-50 EMA coming back up. AVAX. Yeah, you guys get the point on altcoins, man. They tested the same level they had on the whole way up so far. Greg said hammer candle. Yeah, Algo looks good. This looks really good. I mean, if this closes like this on the 1 hour, Algo looks, that's a nice candle there, man. That's a very, very nice candle. Big wick on the bottom side, got bought right back up. And you still got, a lot of liquidity to the upside on Algo here. We'll see what you get, though. That could be an interesting one for sure. Little old Algorand. I actually really like Algorand here. DYDX already took off. GMT already took off. Sol, I mean, they said Sol just hit a huge, GMT just hit a huge resistance. Sol just had a pretty nice pump there. Does this one come back down a little bit? Maybe. Come back down to like 21.82. 30 EMA, come back up. You know what I mean? But we'll see. Wayne said, can you look at Uranus? We can look at Uranus if you want. I don't know if you want to look what's in there after eating this steak. You know what I mean? There ain't nothing pretty in there. Check MBL. All right, I'll check a few more. I'll probably hop off, guys. Because it seems like we're just going to end up going sideways the rest of the night. Oh, my load! Woo! Holy moly. Guacamole. What just happened with this one? I think we need to wake up Asia. You know what? We just got a little stop hunt rise to the stop hunt dump to the downside. I think we need to wake up Asia. What do you think, guys? Let's go. Holy moly. Doom, doom, doom. It's already 6:30 a.m. here. Oh, appreciate you letting me know. Hey, listen, 6:30 a.m. That's when, like, listen, we're over here in America, man. I mean, people over here wake up at like 10 a.m. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know about you guys over there. I don't know if it's normal to wake up at 6:30. A lot of people wake up at 6:30. I do sometimes. I used to do every day, but not everyone does. Trust me. Anyways, wow, Bitcoin dumped to the previous support level. Wow, man. That's pretty. Now watch. See, Bitcoin's kind of going sideways now. I bet altcoins are about to do some good stuff. Let's see. Yeah, dude, I like Algo here. God damn it, man. I missed this one. Ah! God damn, Algo's about to test the high. Hold on, let me. Come on. There we go. Let's see. FTM. No, no, it's Asian music. It's not Indian music. God damn. Just accept it. Accept the fact that it is not that music. Anyways, guys. Anyways. I think I'm gonna call it a stream, man. I mean, I wasn't gonna go long for a long time today. Just wanted to eat some steak with the boys. Okay. Look at some charts. It seems like Bitcoin's gonna kind of just go sideways here. We'll see. I mean, it's sort of the trend really has been Bitcoin like pumping, going sideways, letting these catch up, pumping, going sideways, and you're kind of just sitting here. Like I said, I'm not calling for a dump here. I mean, like I said, you've been calling for a dump the whole way up. You've been wrong every single time. So once again, it's like, to me, the biggest spot for a dump is 21,500. that's gotta be the biggest spot for a dump. All right, in my personal opinion, people will disagree, but it is what it is. Now we'll see. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll have a normal stream tomorrow. We'll be ready to kick ass tomorrow. And it's the weekly close. We just need a weekly close above 19,400, which is the bear market resistance band, and that would be juicy. All right, so I'm gonna go eat the rest of the steak and this pasta and this bread. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday night, my guys. Catch you guys tomorrow. And as always, guys, don't pay to say crypto. Don't do anything I want to do. Don't pay to say crypto. But most of all, don't be afraid to take profits in the bear market rallies until proven otherwise, which, like I said, hopefully soon we can get rid of that last part of that speech. But until then, we can't. All right? Adios. See you guys tomorrow at 7 for the weekly close. Later. Peace.